Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today I will take a look again at the euro currency, since the price action that we see right now is not very desirable. Let's call it in this manner. Our recent setup on the New Zealand dollar has failed, since as you can see market in fact has dropped through the confidence support. We just have intention to watch for possible buy opportunities. On the rate cut, the New Zealand dollar on the hourly chart just dropped with this huge gap below our support area, and in fact this action has absolutely erased our former context on the double repo buy on the New Zealand dollar. So right now on the euro currency we see some a bit unexpected signs of weakness, because the rally up was really nice, but recently, today and tomorrow and yesterday, market has shown some really not really good signs from the bullish perspective. So let's see what has happened. When this rally has reestablished, we said, well, market right now will not be at the very bottom, and it should hit at least the minor 618 target before the retracement down could happen. But take a look what has happened recently. You see that market wasn't able to pass through the monthly pivot resistance one, and even hasn't quite reached the minor 618 extension of the ABCD pattern. When you see such thrust to the upside, when you see this really acceleration, very big white candles to the upside, and here this is just fast acceleration, and then you see inability on the market to reach even minor target and turn to some retracement down, that looks a bit suspicious. And in this current situation, it's very difficult to find a reason for taking the long position with this prior retracement. So we could understand that retracement is logical when the market hits the target and then turn to retracement. But the pullback before it has reached the minor target, it looks a bit unexpected and a bit suspicious. So this is the warning sign for the bulls. Maybe market will return back down and hit this target. That's really possible. But you know, guys, that also on the 4-hour time frame chart we had the butterfly that also hasn't been completed, and market hasn't quite reached the 127 extension of this move down, and the butterfly also hasn't hit the target and turned to the downside. Even more, if you right now take a look at the hourly chart, there we see another sign. There's a lot of lines here, so let's go through it step by step. First of all, let's start with this dash red line. Take a look that market has formed higher top than this one. This calls as the wash and rinse of the previous top. So market just shows the upward direction, grab the stops that have been placed above this top and turn down immediately. That's a bearish sign and calls us the wash and rinse of this top. And in the short-term perspective, this is the bearish sign, and it's very curious that this action has appeared not right at the daily target. Take a look. This has happened here, not at the daily target, not at the 618, but before market has reached it. Logically, we could suggest that market could show the wash and rinse but hit the target. But this hasn't happened. And that looks as the sign of weakness. Also, guys, take in consideration that this is just minor target. That's just 618. It's not the even AB equals CD target, but minor. And euro hasn't hit it even on the background of this significant acceleration. That's really looks as the warning factor. To take a look at the perspective of this action, we could get retracing right back down to the weekly pivot point, monthly pivot point, and market could form the double top on the hourly chart. Trend has shifted bearish here, as you can see. This in turn could trigger, if market will form on the hourly double top, it could trigger the deeper retracement down. And that will be very bad sign for the perspective of the ABCD pattern. Because the logic of this pattern suggests here the continuation. It could suggest minor bounce after the 618 target will be hit, but it absolutely doesn't suggest return right back down to the 618 support. And here particular will be the target of the double bottom if it will start to work. And that in turn will smell like the butterfly to the downside. This will be the breaking of the normal market mechanics of the normal ABCD pattern. We could say that if market will return right back down here, mostly the ABCD will fail and perspective of 118 target will fail. That's why this action that we see right now on the hourly chart is very important. This, in fact, right now the destiny of the euro currency is determining for the medium-term perspective, and you can see the market is dropping lower. This analysis that I have drawn here with this green line not, in fact, important anymore because the progress is very fast. Just a few minutes ago, I just would like to say that, as you can see, market has formed a butterfly here. And I would like to say that if market will form another butterfly here, it could reach the 1618 extension here, and by this action complete the minor ABCD target on daily. So if market would complete this butterfly, we could still touch the 1618 extension. But as you can see, while we are talking here, this market dropped lower, taking out of these lows, and no butterfly is possible anymore. Well, through drive may be still possible if market will turn to the upside, but it's very difficult to count on it right now with this dropping lower. Anyway, guys, our conclusion on the euro currency tells that currently probably it's better to stay aside and watch what we will get on the Greece and what we will get their retail sales in the United States. The action on the euro currency shows the signs of weakness, and currently we can't call for taking any long position. Even more, we think that it's better to avoid right now any long position and watch what will happen with this double top, and maybe market even will drop back to the 618 major fib support on the daily chart. So in general, current action is not very promising for a bullish perspective. It's better to say that it's even looking bad for the bullish perspective. So that's in fact all that we say about the euro currency right now. Let's see what progress we will get on the retail sales, and maybe some news on the Greece will come. But currently the action that we see right now is really could change the medium-term forecast on the euro.